Hello and welcome. Very good evening. You're watching Urban Debate on Mirror Now. I am Afrida Rahman Ali. Well, today was one of those days where Mumbaikars were in for a surprise. Power cuts may be a very common phenomena in rest of India, but not so for the residents of Mumbai. In fact, it's rather unusual to find oneself in a situation where you do not have electricity supply, which is precisely why it immediately became national news that Mumbai has come under a situation of electricity disruption. 50 lakh homes and of course many operational businesses came to a halt. The suburban railways came to an abrupt halt because of this, and many passengers in fact had to change their travel plans. All of this happened at around 10 a.m. this morning, leaving many people in a state of anxiety and suspense as to what exactly has gone wrong. So here at Mirror Now, we tried to understand what happened. Statements started coming in thick and fast from the Electricity Commission, from the Adani Power Limited, and also from the BMC. And now we have decided to put together all the information for you so that you get an understanding on what really went wrong earlier today in Mumbai. Like I said, at around 10 a.m., the entire city more or less came to a halt where electricity supply snapped. The concerns were around transport and communication, but more importantly also around the COVID hospitals where there are critical care patients who cannot do without an uninterrupted power supply. In fact, just to update our viewers, supply has been now restored in 95% of the places where this disruption was witnessed. Certain areas in Mulund, for instance, the restoration was to happen at around 9 a.m. I'm hoping that's already happened. We're still waiting for an update on that. But to give us an understanding on how things unfolded and why, because like I said, it's important to identify where things went wrong. A financial capital of the country cannot afford a power disruption of this nature in such a large scale. So joining me this evening is Mr. Sanjay Thakur, who's the Vice Chairman of All India Power Engineers Federation, to give us an understanding on where things went wrong and how do we understand this particular so-called technical fault, if that is what the case is. Good evening, Mr. Sanjay Thakur. Thanks for joining us. आपका स्वागत है. मैं जानना चाहूँगी आपसे कि जो आज हम लोगों ने यहाँ मुंबई में विटनेस किया, जो हमने देखा, इस तरह का पावर कट महाराष्ट्र में होता नहीं है, और क्योंकि द एंटायर सिटी एंड द सबर्ब्स एक्चुअली केम अंडर इट्स इन्फ्लुएंस, आप क्या हमें समझा सकेंगे कि किस तरह का फॉल्ट था ये? व्हाट वाज द एग्जैक्ट नेचर ऑफ द फॉल्ट? Was it a technical failure? What kind of power tripping happened that caused this kind of a disruption?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. मुंबई का टोटल पीक डिमांड जो है that is 2600 megawatt. From that, I think half of the load is spare by transmission company, and half of the load is spare by the Adani and Tata. Okay. See, what happened this morning? Mumbai and Navi Mumbai is fed through. There is a 400 kV lines, which is coming from Kalwa. Initially, what happened, ma'am? There is a two feeders coming from Talegaon to Kalwa, and two feeders coming from Padga to Kalwa. On Saturday, 10th of this month, Talegaon Kalwa line was breakdown due to conductor snap at Khandala Ghat, and which is quite difficult to restore that feeder on that day also, because there is a big valley in between Lonavala and Khandala, and then that feeder was almost breakdown from Saturday. Then remaining two feeders, Padga coming from Padga and Padga 2. Early morning on this today, there was an emergency outage was taken from Padga 1 line at I think early morning, and it was expected before 9:30 the supply may be restored on that feeder. But actually the supply was not restored before 10 o'clock.
Okay.
And as you know, the load on Monday, because offices are started at 10 o'clock almost in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai area. So suddenly load goes into this, and at that time, the feeder which is emanating from Padga to Kalwa also break down at 10 o'clock sharp. Due to overcurrent, because two feeder was on breakdown. Only one feeder is remaining for the Kalwa 400 kV switching station. So as the load grows increases, the conductor snap of Padga to line feeder. So what happened? Only one feeder is remaining for the Kalwa. See, Kalwa 400 kV substation is the biggest substation which cater the almost 1500 megawatt load of Mumbai suburban of Mumbai. So incomer of that HV, three incomers are breakdown in that period. Only one incomer is kept on from Kalwa, Khargar to Kalwa, and which is also breakdown due to overcurrent. See, all this scenario, what happened? For some certain period, the power supply of Mumbai is almost in dark. See, technically, I should say, one more feeder is coming from Talegaon to Khargar, which is connected through Khargar to the Kalwa. So almost all incomers coming to feed the power supply to the Mumbai is under breakdown. And in certain circumstances, as Kalwa से जो दो feeder आता है, दो goes to I think Trombay and Mulund substation, which is 220 kV substations. And Trombay is also connected. जो within Mumbai region में जो generation होता है, almost 680 megawatt generation is from Tata and 500 megawatt generation from Dahanu, which is from Adani. So because of this, that power stations also stop for a certain period, and that is why for I think almost 2 hours, some part of the Mumbai was under dark. See, now what happened? Because of this scenario, Khargar substation, which is near to New Mumbai, which is fed by GTPS, which is a general station of the Mahanirmiti company company, and which is also due to this almost all scenario, the
Right.
generation power in that the power station is also stopped. So all this scenario result
Okay,
to
so
darken the
all
Mumbai
right.
and Mumbai surrounding
So
regions.
what we have to understand here, Mr. Sanjay Thakur, is that there are certain systems in place, there are certain checks and balances in place, and from what you have explained to us so far, what we can understand is that that sort of backup did not work because of overloading, a sudden overloading, and that's perhaps the best way I can explain it in layman's terms. But you know what, we also want to know that could this have been averted? Aage ke liye, how can we prevent a situation like this? Because can this happen again? बाकी तो जो परिस्थिति है, जो circumstances है, वो तो वैसे ही रहेगा. So आगे भी अगर इस तरह का हो, तो what kind of contingency plan should be there in place?
Basically, what happened, ma'am? Mumbai and nearby Mumbai suburban, there is a three licensee which are distributed power supply to the consumers. One is Adani West and another is Mahavitra. So there is such systems we can, especially for Mumbai. In such cases, there is a system which can, when grid fail हो गया, तो grid fail होने के बाद there is one system. That system operate and that isolated the grid and supply of the Mumbai is restored.
Okay.
But as per my knowledge, I think उसको technical language islanding बोलते हैं उसको. Islanding की वजह से मुंबई suddenly grid से divert होके मुंबई का power supply restore होता है. Reason behind it. But today that is not happen, and that is why generator of Mumbai suburbans means Tata का कुछ तो 680 megawatt और Dahanu का 500 megawatt almost generation उसका stop हो गया, उसकी वजह से darkness हो गया. So I will suggest.
तो संजय ठाकुर जी, क्या मैं आपसे पूछ सकती हूँ? I want to know from you कि जो सेंटर से response आया है इसके ऊपर, the center, the Union Power Ministry has made a statement, Mr. Thakur, and in that statement, the Minister R.K. Singh has said that the national grid is unaffected. It's the state grid that experienced this breakdown. Is that the correct position as an expert?
Yes. Yes, I, as per my knowledge, as per my feedback, I don't think there is a breakdown in national grid. There is a problem in state grid. Yes.
Okay. All right. So that's the larger explanation that we have in this, that some, of course, this kind of inadvertent errors can happen. It has happened now, but there must be some lessons drawn out of it, Mr. Thakur. What do you think those lessons should be? Very quickly.
See, that is why मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ मैम कि the system जो which is supplying the supply to the Mumbai and Mumbai suburban need to be strengthening, and there should be some another general station should be installed nearby to the Mumbai, so that in certain cases, in such type of cases, the supply may be take over. And since long back, as a growth nearby Mumbai and Mumbai region, especially Navi Mumbai and all these ones, the load is increased. And present जो scenario है, present to network है, that is not sufficient as cater the load which is required now.
Okay. All right. Sanjay Thakur, Vice Chairman of All India Power Engineers Federation, joining us here on Mirror Now. Thank you very much for giving us your perspectives and helping us understand what went wrong and how things can be actually prevented in future from getting into a situation like this.